Chat. What is going on? This is diabolical price action right now. How are we doing, chat? Welcome back to the streams. Good evening, good morning, whatever it is for you, one of them. How's it going, man? How you guys been? What's good? Omar? Let's flip this over, nice. I have to shut my cupboard. All right, nice. What's good, Omar, DK? Chat, come say hi if you're here, pull up. Hopefully you guys are chilling, man. Hopefully you guys are good. We got gold going crazy right now. Steroids gold here, I can't lie. What's good, Malenko? Oh shit, wait, chat, I need to go plug my phone in. Music a little loud? Shit, yeah, I forgot it was turned all the way up, my bad. One sec. All right, I'm back. So, chat. We are back in business here. Hopefully you guys are chilling. Let's go for the double glasses again. Why not? Let's double it up here. Listen, let's get into a quick breakdown and we can discuss what gold's doing. Owanda chart is crazy right now. I can't lie. There's some really weird inconsistencies on Owanda. So for now, I'm going to be trading based off of FXCM. But yeah, chat, these are my levels here. I've got them already pre-marked out, but let's just delete these and go back to what we had here. So the monthly time frame is pushing up. Chat, the weekly time frame actually fucking flipped here, which is crazy. You now have like a 2,000 fucking pip weekly candle already, which is just diabolical. Daily candle, bearish, but sort of no top wick as well, which is interesting. You did come down and grab some wicks from previous liquidity levels, and now you're essentially pushing back up here on this 4 hour. The 4 hour previously closed kind of no bottom wick. This is an FXCM 4 hour, so it's a bit different, but you kind of close respecting here. Now this would be a decent level for us to push back up. If we look at the 1 hour too, what do you see? What do you see here? Let's just go back. So we have some clear rejection areas here on this 1 hour, and those are based off of these levels to the left. So you have quite a strong rejection over here at 33.51. You have a very strong level here and here at 33.84. And then you have some support being formed as well right here at 33.20. And then finally below there, obviously, what do we have? We have quite a strong level here at 32.91. So these ranges are ginormous, I can't lie. They're like 300 pip ranges, but they're very, very clean. So they should be respected nicely. As you can see, we rejected off this level here and started to push back up very strongly. So yeah, potentially we might be good to continue back up here. I also did notice you have sort of a very clear liquidity level here. This is New York lows. So the previous yesterday's New York lows, I actually wanted us to come and take those out before continuing back up. But I mean, look, we'll see what happens here. Structure's still bearish right now on every single time frame, including the 4 hour. If you close below here, that is. Currently on the 4 hour, we did actually respect this low here. So potentially we can continue up. I mean, look, let's see. Let's see, chat. There's a lot of potential right now. A lot of opportunity if we can grab some positions, but it's just a patience game right now. So we got buys above this level here to take us back towards all-time highs, because at the end of the day, right, this could still be a higher low being formed here to continue back up. Like, it's very, very possible. I'm not saying it will be, but it could be. And yeah, but if you do close below this area here, below 32.91, realistically, there's no reason why you shouldn't continue down. With that being said, though, I can't take sells right now because look at the way we rejected off the level. Like, literally textbook rejection here. So for me to take sells would be very, very difficult. I have to wait and see. I have to stay patient. So yeah, that's the plan for this morning, chat. But look, how are you guys? Hopefully you're good. What's good, Jay? What's good, Triz? Discipline as well. And yeah, let's fucking get into it, man. Let's get into it. Chat, did you guys watch the video yesterday? Posted a new long form YouTube video. You guys seem to be enjoying it. I got some really good feedback. I finally went live on TikTok with trading, had an awesome stream, 200 people, 10k live, 10k likes, gifts, the whole thing. Then out of nowhere, my account got banned and deleted midstream. Crazy, bro. That's a W. But yeah, that's tough, bro. I don't know why. Great video from the best gold trader in Uganda. What, me? Yeah, that's me right there. That's me. Chat, it might have to be a 2 coffee morning. Oh, I just brushed my teeth and then drank that. That is not nice. So now you're from Uganda? Bro, I'm from everywhere. People have called me, said I'm from Vietnam. People have said I'm from all over the gaff. Someone said the other day I look Jewish, which is crazy. Because I definitely don't. I don't know, man. We're just adapting out here. I guess it's a good thing, right? I'm like a chameleon. I can be in any situation, any environment. Chat, 15-minute closing here in about a minute and a half. So let's see what actually fucking happens here. Let's see, let's see. But guys, you got any trades this week? How are you guys doing so far this week? Hopefully you're in profit. Hopefully you guys are killing it. That's what I always like to see. Wait, trading view's not working for a few people or what? Crazy. My trading view's chilling. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. Look at this Owanda chart though, chat. Like, this is... Bro, I have no idea how this even works. So, you have like the market open gap right here. Well, you have 2 gaps. You have a gap right here for the market open where it gapped down. So, the candle technically opened here, right? And then it gapped all the way down towards... down here. But then also... this candle closed here, so the next 4 hours should have opened right here, but instead of that, it opened up here, which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Someone tell me how that fucking works. I don't know, but yeah, like, so instead of it being, I can't even draw it out, but basically this 4 hour candle should have opened down here, but it didn't. So there's 2 gaps in a row on Owanda, which is fucking crazy. They need to sort their servers out, or whatever it is, they need to sort it out. 15-minute closed here, bullish. Top wick, bottom wick first as well. So let's see what happens. You also do kind of have a level like right in the middle of this range here too. Like technically, you could look at this as being one of your levels as well on the 30-minute and the 1 hour. But like I said, with the way we rejected here, I don't really like this position too much. I'd much rather see a closure back below this level here. Thing is, right, stops are just ridiculously big on all fucking directions here. So that it's very, very difficult for us to get any positions right now. Like, all of these moves are like 200, 300 pips. So that means all of your stops are going to be 200, 300 pips. Like, if we take a look at this hourly candle here. No, sorry, this is a 30-minute candle. 620 pips. Sick. Like, how are you meant to trade a 30-minute candle that's 600 pips? Even yesterday, right? You had the same thing. You had, like, hourly candles with crazy fucking... Like, look at this. This one here. How big was this? 500 pips on this hourly candle right here in the middle. Like, it's untradeable. It's actually untradeable, chat. You have to have the world's biggest stop loss. What's good, Max? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Chat, I was thinking yesterday about bringing out the most douchebag trader character in the world and starting to make videos like this. Wait. Chat, I know it'd bang views, right? Imagine I just started trading like this. Bro. That'd be so funny. I actually rate I should do it. It would get me so many views just purely based off the hate comments. I think I should do it though. I look like I'm at a session. GG, what's good, man? You want to switch to futures? Why is that? I don't want to switch to futures, bro. It's just like the scalability over on futures is ridiculous. You can get like 2 million funding easy. Not easy, but you know what I mean. Like with Apex, you can get 20 accounts on one copy trader, right? So let's say you have 20, even if you only go for a 50K account, right? That's 1 million funding right there. Get 1% payout. That's 10K. But you'd actually have to get more than that, I think, right? You have to get a 2K payout. So 20 times 2K equals 40K. So you'd be able to get like a 40K payout pretty much instantly. Do you not like the 1 hour flip? Nah, I don't. I don't take 1 hour flips after we've rejected off the level, right? Because that's your advantage point right there. So it's almost like taking a position into where we've grabbed liquidity from. It makes no sense. You know, this wick is grabbing liquidity for us to continue back up a little bit. So taking sells into that is like running headfirst into the wind, right? You're not going to be able to... I mean, you might, but it's going to be a lot more difficult. Five-minute just closed here, bearish as well. So you might continue down. Like the structure we're making is bearish, don't get me wrong. So it depends. Is my camera a bit weird today? I feel like the angle's all different. All right, we're good. We are good. Took anything yesterday? Nothing yesterday, bro. This is what I'm saying. It's so fucking tough at the minute. Like, no setups for the part. Honestly, I've been getting like 1 or 2 trades a week. What's good, Danny? Good morning, man. Two glasses look today. Yeah, man. It's the new wave, I think. I'm gonna start a new trend. Double glassed up. Lone Trader, what's good, my man? How you doing, brother? Chat, pushing down here. 1 hour looks like it might flip. So you do have a pretty strong fucking, like, you know, lower high being made here to continue down. The sales might not be too bad. They might not be too bad off this 1 hour. I'm not going to take it though. It's not perfect. 15-minute no bottom wick could flip up at any point. Bow, 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 bow. You got a new mic? You sound crisp? Yeah, I did, bro. I bought a completely new mic. This one. Nah, but it's literally... Yeah, it was like 300 fucking pounds. So it better sound crisp. It better, man. 90 pip top wick. Surely if it comes to the flip, it will come down. Maybe, bro. But look, like I said, this 15-minute could flip at any point. 15 still has no top wick. So, like, what realistically could happen, and has happened to me before, is you come down, flip, get tapped in, and then this 15 flips, and you're cooked. Bow, 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 bow. All right, cool. It's been Asian is the session. I honestly think Asian, if you're staying up to trade Asian, it's probably not a bad shout during this time. Like with the way that Asian's playing out, I reckon all the people from like NYC and all the people in London in hedge funds, I reckon they're all honestly just sat there like up all night, cracked out their mind on either Coke or Adderall and just trading away into the evening because, yeah, bro, literally the moves are getting made like crazy. All right, cool. Sorry, chat. I had to do something real quick. What's good, Charlie? How you doing, man? Deleted sell stop? Yeah, I don't think that's a bad idea, bro. Look at the way that the 5's closing, the 15 minutes flipping up here. Yeah, very, very good call in my opinion. You made like a higher low actually right now. For me, chat, the play here is going to be either wait for a closure back above 33.20. And then, yeah, we'll see where we go from there, right? Otherwise, you can take the closure back down below. Chat, this price action is just very difficult right now, like very, very difficult. Didn't like the structure? Yeah, I agree. What's good, Charlie, man? How's it going? Hopefully you're chilling. Long time no see. Did you make the move yet? You probably did, right? That makes no sense. Cool. But yeah, chat, look, right now, like I said, look, So we've got a very conflicting fucking situation here all around. We have gold, which is basically saying, all right, we need a retracement. So on the lower time frame, you actually have pretty strong bearish structure here. Coming downwards, you have like consistent lower highs and lower lows being made all the way down, which is great. But then, if you actually zoom out a little bit and look at like maybe the 4 hour, or even the 1 hour, to be honest, but it's a lot more evident on the 4 hour. What do we have here? You have the same shit. You have bullish structure though. So you have higher highs, higher lows. And this still could be just a retest into one of these lows and then continue back up, right? It's extremely possible. So like, this is where you have to sort of wait and see what plays out here. Look at Bitcoin go. Crazy, yeah, wow. All right, we take it. Can Ethereum follow? Not really. Sick. Piece of shit. Honestly, fucking Ethereum, man. Boom, boom. But yeah, I honestly think, right, if you are going to push up, it's going to be from somewhere like here. It's going to be, you might want to sweep these lows first. You might want to actually come down and tap into this level. But you might also have just already tapped into the low, right? You retested this previous low here. Last time we retested here, we pushed up. Same as here as well. So, I mean, look, let's see. Maybe, like I said, if we get that closure above 33.20, you're going to be golden. There's a lot of opportunity for us here now, chat. A lot of opportunity. It's crazy though. Like, the availability for positions is so much fucking lower, you know? Everyone's been either getting cooked or getting no positions. Anyone's trading views frozen? Yeah, I saw someone in the Discord saying that. KB, I think it was. But I don't know, man. $40 seconds here till a 30-minute close anyway. I'm going to open my broker, actually, just see what price looks like over there. Same shit, pretty much. So the previous 30-minute has no top wick as well, which we might need to come and grab before we do anything else. Like I said, you did come and grab a bottom wick for the previous one down here, but it's very indecisive here right now. Very, very indecisive. Chat, these are the times, like I said the other day, you need to just be patient and wait for the fucking confirmations. 30-minute has closed above here, though. Above this previous high. Top wick first, of course. Chat, I wonder where everyone is, man. Not a good time for trading, I guess. Honestly, though, like, during these periods, the people who survive them and people who get through these periods of trading, i.e. you guys who turn up to the streams every day, you're going to be the ones who actually, you know, continue to be successful as traders, because a lot of people just give up way too easy. Like, 99% of people are giving up so easy to the point where that's why most traders fail. It's not because it's inherently difficult. It's just because people fucking can't show up to streams every day, can't stay disciplined, can't manage their accounts properly. It's literally it, man. Like, there's no reason why trading should be impossible. It's just that people are fucking too lazy or too stupid to actually do it. I was about to say volumes died off a little bit, but then I realized this candle's still 100 and something pips. So now for us, volume dying off is 100 pip candles. It's crazy, the change in standards that we have. Like, chat, how are you guys dealing with this situation? Are you guys like dropping your risk? Personally, I drop my risk big time, but I think if I was you guys, I'd be doing the same. Charlie, I just saw your message. Yes, man, I've moved now. How's Cyprus treating you? It's fucking good, bro. It's chilling, to be honest. It's expensive, but it's good, man. It's definitely worth it. My trading view won't load up charts. Ah, bro, maybe it's because I had mine loaded up. I had my charts loaded up since this morning, so maybe I'm like grandfathered in, you know? Because mine work completely fine. Like every single time frame is completely good. Chat, I'm in the matrix. It's only Owanda which is frozen. My Owanda's fine too, I think. Yeah. I think it's a skill issue, to be honest. I'm joking. Yeah, let's see, chat. Just want to see some movement, to be honest. We're just hovering right now. Like, you're starting to make a range here, which is very difficult. Very, very difficult, I can't lie. All right, cool. Gold works perfect, but NAS or GU won't load. Bro, why are you trying to trade NAS and GU? Just stick to the GOAT. Nah, I'm playing. Chat, I might have to get a second coffee, you know. Might have to do it. Need some more energy to fucking sit through this boring ass market. Like, we are literally just sat here waiting right now, chat. Might become that full-time GeoGuessr streamer. Legit, would probably be better than watching fucking paint dry on these charts, eh? Nah, I don't know. But we have here, what do we have? We have a 1 hour close in 24 minutes. 5 minute just closed bullish. So you are sort of starting to make some bullish structure here in the 5 minute. If you break this high, you might be good to continue back up, to be honest, towards the top of the next range. With the 30 minute closing the way it did, maybe we can see something off this next hourly closure. The only problem is, obviously, we had no previous bottom wick. But look at the 4 hour, the way it grabbed liquidity. It's the same as the Owanda 4 hour, to be honest, both of which seem like bottom wicks to continue back up. So maybe we can take advantage of that and actually get a move to the upside here. But we're going to have to wait a while for our closures, to be honest, which makes it a little bit difficult. Chat, what I noticed as well recently is gold's been like, you know, when it comes down and makes a bottom wick or a top wick for a closure, it flips and then reflips. And it's like, that is essentially the push that it makes. So once it comes down and makes a bottom wick, it will flip and then it will like reflip, knock all the traders out that have essentially got their stops below the lows, and then reflip again and push upwards, if that makes sense. So that's something to watch out for. If you are placing your stops on current candle lows, which we did for a while recently, and then we realized we were getting wrecked on it because gold essentially would do something like this where it'd make a top wick, it'd flip, so everyone gets in their sell stops with their stops above these highs, and then what happens, it reflips, break the high, and then continue back down like this. So going forward, that's something I'm going to be looking at and managing my trades essentially accordingly. If we are getting like positions, most likely what I'm going to do is wait for the second flip in order to actually take them. All right, re-breaking the highs here, chat. This is interesting, man. Let's see what this 2-hour candle wants to do as well. Like, do we want to flip here? If we can close above the high, like I said, it's going to be extremely valid. But look, we've already got like, what is this? 120 pips or something. 130 pips on this 1-hour candle with no bottom wick. It's fucking incredible. Honestly, so difficult to trade this. What did I want to do here? Oh, I can stream in WAP as well. That's crazy. I just realized that. Whole market is trash. I'm going to bed. Bro, your sleep schedule is fucked. Your sleep schedule is crazy. You're going to bed at 9 a.m. in the morning. So let me guess, you stay awake overnight, trade Asian, right? And then go to sleep? To be fair, it probably makes you some good money. But I'm not doing that. No way. I value my sleep way too much. 20 minutes, chat. I'm going to watch this 1-hour close, and if nothing happens, I'm going to go to the gym. Fuck it. Because realistically, this price action is not it. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are sort of just consolidating here, and volume died off. Even though this candle is like 130 pips. It does seem like a tiny candle. Like, look at the size of this candle compared to the rest of them, and it's still 130 fucking pips. It's actually ridiculous. I want gold back in like 2,500 levels. That's what I really want. Like gold back down here. That'd be absolutely fucking perfect. But I don't think we're gonna get it ever, to be honest. I don't see why we would ever get it again. Like, what's the biggest retracement been on gold? I mean, maybe, right? You went from 22,000. Nah, that's not even that big. You went from 1,900 to 1,000. So maybe that's a 50% crash, right? Yeah, nearly. So I guess you could come down to like 1,700, right? Technically, or like 1,800, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I remember that long I took when gold was at 1,800s. I should have held, bro. Yeah, we all had long positions at gold at like 1,800, 1,900. All you had to do was hold that one bad boy. 20,000 pips. Even with a one lot, you're making like what? 200k. Long before you managed to close that position, the broker would have fucking banned you from the platform. 100%. The broker 100%. Like the moment you got up like 10k pips, the broker would have been like, sorry, we're closing this trade, you're banned. Goodbye. Pushing up, chat. What's good, Gene? How you doing, man? Once you break this high to the left as well, that is your break in market structure. So essentially what we've done here is you've pushed down, started to make some bearish structure, obviously. But then once you actually, now that you formed a lower high here, sorry, a higher low, and then if you make a higher high, that's our confirmation that we're good for buys, and we'll take this to continue up like this, right? That's exactly what we'll be looking for. Haven't been getting on because you know I'm unemployed? I hear it, bro. Yeah, that's, haven't been getting up at 3 a.m. Makes sense, G. It makes sense. Hopefully you're doing well though, bro. All in on trading, eh? Chat, did you guys see as well? Just that reminded me. Fucking Jade Cap received his $2.5 million payout. This one right here. Yeah, and that LTV trades guy as well. Imagine, bro. Imagine seeing a payout like this. 2,552,800 bucks. Bro's taxes are gonna be cooked. That's a crazy fucking payout though. That's like absolutely ridiculous. Congrats to the IRS. Yeah, trust me. Oh, I saw that. Yeah, the Top Step CEO one. I saw that. Trying to make a regulatory committee with all the other prop CEOs. Antitrust, yeah, it's tough. 1.25 million. Do you think he has to pay 50%? Probably, right? Bro, that is so tough. That's why, bro, you gotta be in somewhere that's tax efficient if you're JCap. Like for me, let me work out how much tax I'd pay on that. What's the... So like, I would be paying basically 50,000 in tax off of that whole thing, based in Cyprus, right? He gets it paid to a business account? Yeah, good. That's what's the taxes on business there? I don't know how American tax is 30%. Fuck that, bro. So this guy's got to pay like 600k minimum in taxes, basically, on one payout. Bro should come to Cyprus or go to Dubai or something. What's a W9? Let's do American tax lessons with Gene. Chat, 15-minute close bullish here, by the way. No top wick towards the top of the range. We got 40% tax of profit in my country on crypto. How do they know that you made profit on your crypto, though? No way they're checking. You're a hired person, basically like a contractor. What, for Apex or what? KYC? Bro, you're telling me out in the Balkan fucking countries they're checking your KYC? No way. Just use like Kraken or whatever it is. KuCoin. What is this guy doing here saying,
Mr. Eugene is here.
Crazy. Props pay you as a contractor since it's simulated trading. But can you not pay it still to a business account or what? What's good, Sharif? Welcome back, man. Because like for me, if I was basically, well, with my prop payouts and with every payout, to be honest, basically payout goes into a, let's just call it an LLC for the Americans here, for to a company, right? And then that LLC pays 12% tax in Cyprus, and then dividend to SG, and then I pay 2% tax on that dividend. So like, realistically, you're paying something like 13, 14% instead of fucking whatever that is. Instead of like 40% in America. You can get an S Corp like I do. I'm sure he does, bro. Like, I'm sure he does. There's no way he would have paid that out to... Bro, he's a professional, right? There's no way. Never say 2 million, always say 2 billion cents. It has more gravitas. Yeah, maybe. Prop trading is taxed as income tax, not capital gains. Just another reason why personal capital is better. 100%. 100%. There's ways around it, but that does also mean that your first 12k from prop capital is like technically in the UK is technically tax free, unless you have another job, which obviously most people do. This is not financial advice. Yeah, true. Chat, these conditions are not the one. I realistically think I might be calling it here until like New York session. I mean, we'll see. You heard of WAP? What do you mean, have I heard of WAP? Yes, I've heard of WAP. Mr. Bedge, what's good, brother? Noodle Holtz was good as well. Is only the 15 working? For some people, yeah, but for me, it's working. Everything's working. Have you filmed my video yet? I can't, Eugene. I'll tell you why later. Say I invest 40k as a person, my company can match my contribution up to 80k. Oh, W. You know what the best tax write-off I've seen here is? In Cyprus, there's no tax, zero tax on any stocks or indices. So, let's say I wanted to, and this is not financial advice or tax advice or legal advice or anything like that, but let's say you make a shitload of money on a cryptocurrency and you deposit into a broker, a investment broker with crypto, buy stocks and then deposit that into your, and then like take some profits, deposit that into your bank account. Now you've turned like whatever the profit is from the crypto into tax-free profits. Can I come live in your house to evade taxes? Oh yeah, I'm not evading, whoa, I'm not evading taxes. No tax evasion going on here. Wait, which one's the illegal one? Isn't tax avoidance the legal one? The illegal one? Oh no, tax avoidance is the legal one, yeah, okay. Tax evasion is the illegal one. Chat, 8 minutes here to the hourly close. What is going to happen here? By the looks of it, not fucking much. Yeah, I really need a closure above like 33.20 to be honest, if I'm going to get anything here. Yeah, Gene, bro, I do the exact same thing, right? I was a tax attorney for a while, so I know my rules, man. We're good. But American tax is a different story. I don't know anything about that. Bro, honestly, my accountant is a god. Like, this guy, I have the best accountant in the fucking world. This guy will text me saying, like, by the way, you should do this. And it's like some crazy loophole, or he'll say basically like, bro, I actually don't want to say it on fucking camera. Ben or Eubank? Yo, that's a crazy fight. I think I gotta go with Ben though. I can't lie. Conor Ben's a gangster. He's actually a really fucking good fighter as well. When is that fight? Is it today? Saturday. Okay. Bro, I need to watch that. What time is it? It's gonna be crazy late for me though, like it always fucking is. I just took a buy and I'm in 45 positions waiting for more entries. I reckon Eubank. Isn't Eubank actually like mid? From what I've seen, he's not the best boxer. And maybe it's just because he gets compared to his dad, right? But I don't know. Yeah, chat, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you go watch the new fucking video that I dropped yesterday. That video is an absolute screamer. Everyone who watched it has left a comment saying exactly how much value it fucking gave. So, is that the one? Yes, thank you, Noodle Holtz. Yeah, go watch that shit because it's going to change your trading, I'm pretty sure. It's going to change your fucking trading. 4 minutes here, chat. I'll be back in literally 2 secs. We're going to look at this hourly close, though. There's a lot of potential on it. All right, we're back. Pass my top step 50k. Hey, D, good shit, man. Put that in your put that in the member wins thing. I want to see it. I want to see it. Do you still have access to that? Or maybe you don't. I don't know. But put it in the wins channel anyway. I watched it twice. Hey, W Noodle Holtz. I appreciate that, man. I watched it 9 times. Whoa, we're competing here, eh? I reckon you guys like Tom Aspinall. He's a GOAT. Still waiting for the certificate they processed, the trade report at like 6 p.m. New York time. Yeah, you're good, bro. Congrats, though, man. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Chat, 1 minute here till the closure. Looks like we're going to close respecting, but also the structure's shifted a little bit to be quite bullish. But I think if we're not going to get anything on this next fucking hourly candle here, it's going to have to be the next hour. I can't lie. Or maybe a 15-minute closure above, but it looks like we want to close no top wick here as well, which is going to be very interesting. No top wick right at the level. I don't think I can take sells though because of the structure. How are we going to close here? 20 seconds. Too bad Tom has to lose to the GOAT. I enjoy futures way more than Forex. Yeah, man, it's personal preference, bro. Like, whichever works the best for you. It's the same strategy, right? Regardless of how you're trading, it's the same strategy. It's still closures above, flips, all that type of shit, right? It's just a different execution platform. It ain't going to close above? It's not. No, you're right. He's too scared to take the fight? Wait, hasn't it been confirmed? I thought it was confirmed. Bedge, I'm pretty sure it is. Oh no, wait. John Jones pulls out of Tom Aspinall fight. What? No, it was confirmed 100%. I remember seeing it. Yeah, days after date was confirmed. But I don't know, man. He's been ducking Tom for time. It's a shame. Everyone wants that fight. Maybe he's getting old, man. Maybe he's getting old. Chat, I can't lie though. I'm not gonna get anything here. Like, I'm literally not gonna get anything. So I'm gonna call it a session right now. And I know it's early, but you can sort of figure out when you're not gonna get a trade, and this is one of those times. So for me right now, I'm gonna call it. We'll play a quick round of GeoGuessr. And then I'm going to go hit the gym because I'm fucking bored of watching price just move so slowly. London's slow. London's terrible at the minute, man. I might have to stream New York tomorrow. Yeah, we say no volume, right? But this candle still is like 200 pips, Noodle Holtz. So like, we can say no volume, but it's still 200 fucking pips. These are big candles. It's just like, this one just slowly sort of trended upwards, right? Which you can't do anything with, really. I mean, if you go super zoomed in, then yeah, sure, you could potentially take something, but what? Nothing really. 25-second rounds. Chat, I'm going to start the game, yeah?
3, 2, 1.
Yesterday, NY was a shit show. It is what it is, man. Look, like, this is honestly the weirdest trading period I've ever experienced in my life. What the fuck is that? Yeah, like, I've never had a trading period like this where you're getting such weird price action for such a long period of time. What's good, Calm? Yo, Calm. I had a question to ask you. Fuck, what was it? I was gonna text you afterwards, but something about Apex. Oh yeah, how do people? I see people full margining all their like the evaluations, but you have trailing drawdown, right? So how does that work? People just trail stops like crazy or what? And then also, what's the rule with like the uncapped payouts after a certain amount of time? You know what I mean? You have a 2K drawdown off of highest equity for 50K. I'll explain after this. All right, Bedge. Yeah, because wait, isn't it 2.5K? Trail stops must be tight. No, I hear it. So like, you know, Jade Cap just got that fat payout. How long do you have to trade until you get that like unlimited payouts? Isn't it like 50 trading days or something? But then when does the trailing buffer stop? You know, the buffer with, what the fuck? Like, the trailing drawdown stops at some point, no? So like, if you get 50K, obviously it's trailing drawdown, but then apparently at some point it stops? Or am I wrong? What is that? Send you a video after, or Hedge got you, or Bedge got you. Okay, bro. 90% off at the moment. What's good, Edson? Welcome back, man. Yeah. Bro. I'm gonna stack, I think I'm gonna stack like 20 accounts and just fucking full margin them 5 at a time. I can't lie. I'm not gonna waste time on the evaluation stage. Maybe even 10 at a time. Where's it? Oh, this is fucking... No, wait, it's this one, no? It's either Kazakhstan or Mongolia. Let's get in a call. I'll restart 2. Yeah, fire, bro. We can jump in one whenever. I was talking to Huss about it as well. He wanted to know, so we can jump in a call, like, all of us. I'll take a 3rd place. Malenko 2nd. W. Malenko 1st, sorry. Noodleholt 2nd. Alright, I'm gonna stay on until Bedge explains this shit to me. Calm, send me that video anyway. Also, I'm gonna jump in back in that server we had before. If you can send me the link, if it still exists. I think I got. Oh, did I? No, maybe I'm still in it. I think I might still be in it actually. Bedge is definitely typing a big ass paragraph right now. Yeah, much love, Noodle Holtz. Wait, Bedge, just type it out on Discord maybe. It might be easier. And Calm, if you could send me that video, that'd be much appreciated, man. But yeah, chat, look, I'm going to call it here right now. Much love to you all. When you pass 50K, gets to 260K, that's when your drawdown changes. And I'll explain the rest in the Disty. Okay, cool. Appreciate it, Bedge. Thank you, bro. And yeah, chat, look. If you haven't already, drop a like on the stream, subscribe. On the stream? Stream, subscribe as well. And yeah, that's going to be it from me today. A bit of a slower stream, but price was just moving very, very weird. And yeah, listen, much love, chat. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.